type 2 diabetes is becoming a world pandemic. We know the consumption of eggs is related to the development of some other chronic diseases. What about diabetes? Researchers found a stepwise increase in risk the more and more eggs people ate. Eating just a single egg a week appeared to increase the odds of diabetes by 76%. 2 eggs a week appeared to double the odds, and just a single egg a day triple the odds. 3 times greater risk of type 2 diabetes, one of the leading causes of death and amputations, blindness, and kidney failure. This is not the first time a link between eggs and diabetes has been reported. In 2009, Harvard researchers found that a single egg a day or more was associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes in men and women, and that finding has since also been confirmed in other populations, Asia in 2011 and Europe in 2012. And the high consumption of eggs associated with diabetes risk was less than 1 a day. Though it appears you have to start early, once you get into your 70s, avoiding eggs may not help. Once we then have diabetes, eggs may hasten our death. Eating 1 egg a day or more appears to shorten anyone's lifespan, but may double the all-cause mortality for those with diabetes. Not good news for the egg industry. From a transcript of a closed meeting I found through the Freedom of Information Act, given the rate at which obesity and incidence of type 2 diabetes is growing in the U.S., any association between dietary cholesterol and type 2 diabetes could be a showstopper that could overshadow the positive attributes of eggs.